Hi, today we are going to see how to customize tools, the toolbar, snap different panels, and save your panels setup with StudioPresets in Affinity Designer, Photo, and Publisher. So let's begin. To customize your toolbar, you can go to the menu View, Customize Toolbar, or right-click over the toolbar and select Customize. You can drag any icon to the toolbar and remove the ones you don't want to use. You can change the order of the icons and the space between them. If you want to reset the toolbar, drag the default set of icons over it. You can save your customized toolbar with the StudioPresets that we're going to review later in the video. To customize your tools, you can go to the menu View and Customize Tools. Here you can choose any of the icons that you don't usually see because are inside of other tools with this little triangle in the bottom corner. You can also drop out the icons you don't want to use and rearrange the icons in the order that you want. If you want to reset the tools, just click on the reset button. You can also change the number of columns. If you use stock tools, 1 or 2 is recommended. But if you want to use floating tools, you can try more columns. The order and the icons you select will be saved with the StudioPreset. You can snap floating panels to each other, vertically or horizontally. To snap them vertically, align the left side of both panels. If you move the panel at the top, it will also move the panel below. To snap them horizontally, align the top of both panels and then move the one on the left to move the 2 or more panels. Once you have customized your panels, the toolbar on the top, and your tools on the left, you can save your workspace with StudioPresets. If you don't know how to set up your panels, you can check our previous video that covered that topic. Now, to save your workspace, go to the menu View, StudioPresets, and Add Preset. Choose a name for the new preset. And select OK. You can create multiple presets. Also, you can create presets in different personas. Now, If you want to reset the position of the panels to the default preset, go to the menu view, Studio, and reset Studio. Then, all the panels will change to the original setup of the app. This will now reset the toolbar and the tools. To manage multiple presets, you can go to the menu View, StudioPresets, Manage StudioPresets. Here, you can rename, delete, or quickly apply the different presets you have created. You can also assign keyboard shortcuts to the Manager preset or to individual studio presets. Go to Preference, Keyboard Shortcuts, View menu, and Studio Preset. Manage Studio Presets and Studio Preset. You can assign until line shortcuts for Studio Presets. Then, you can quickly jump between the different presets with the shortcut you just create. Here, you can see some of my studio presets for different types of works in the Affinity apps. I hope you found something useful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.